What's up? What's up? It's Mr. CMB Justin. I'm back with another video. Shout out to everybody who's liking, subscribing, and sharing the channel. Now, I'm gonna hop right into this video. If you're first starting to just wholesale properties or just get into real estate in general, there is one thing you need to do, and this is what really trips people up when they actually get into this business. And the one thing I believe you need to do is set your expectations in a specific goal. What do I mean by that? Now you could hop on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and see all these people talking about, I got my first deal in 1 week. I got my first deal my first day. I got my first deal in the first half hour. I closed the deal in 30 days. Now, when you see stuff like that, that's the exception being sold as the norm. So what you need to do is set your expectations. And how do you set your expectations is a few different ways. One, have you ever been in business for yourself? No? Okay, you have an extreme learning curve. Two, have you ever made money on your own consistently? That's another learning curve. Three, you're acquiring a new skill set. And if you're doing it by yourself, it's going to take a longer time to do that. Right? So you need to set your expectation. This is why so many people just fall in and fall out, or they watch other videos and then they're like, I can do that too, which you can if you do know what you're doing. Some people just get lucky. Some people are not telling you the whole entire story, which a lot of these guys, they don't tell you the whole actual story. Maybe they had a family member already in the business. Family member already in the business. They were well capitalized, well positioned, and then started. There's a lot of these things. So you don't get context is what I'm telling you. And this is why I make this channel, is just to really set you up for success and not set you up with a high expectation to get disappointed and you take no action, or you say it doesn't work, or you just don't have some sort of success or make any money, right? So this is what you need to do. You need to set your expectations, sit down and write out like your first year of real estate. And this is what I do with all my students who are in the Legacy Lasting Blueprint. What we do is we go over your first year's goal and objective. How much money do you want to make in the first 12 months? The reason why I don't do 30 days is because I don't want to set your expectation up too high. Can you do it? Yes, you can. Not everybody can. It's it's not the normal. I don't sell the exception as the norm. I sell the norm as the norm. You acquire the skill set so you can do this consistently and start closing deals and getting bigger checks. That's what we do. And this is what I want to let you know, is just don't get caught up in the hype. If you're building something sustainable, you have to work on the foundation. Can you build the foundation extremely fast? Yes. Can you build it and not know what you're doing if it's your first time? No, which is why I always say you shouldn't go this journey alone. So I just wanted to make this video real quick, straight to the point. And that's really it. Get the Never Broke Action Pack if you're broke or don't have any money or want to learn how to manage your money. Get that right now. It's Justin, Mr. CMB. I'm out. Peace.